Students are quiet during class, skip office hours, and then flood your inbox with repetitive questions. As instructors and teaching assistants, we spend time reacting instead of teaching. According to Forbes, in 2025, over 90% of students rely on AI for learning. But today, instructors have no visibility or control over how AI is shaping understanding. What if AI worked for instructors instead of around them? With tabuddy, instructors create a digital TA by uploading their own teaching materials, defining how the TA should behave, and activating pedagogically aligned AI teaching agents. A student might ask, how does analytics affect business growth? tabuddy answers using instructor-provided materials and applies the teaching style the instructor selected. Students can verify every response through cited references. Student may ask, I'm stuck on this algebra problem. I solved it up to here. Help me finish. Instead of giving answers, tabuddy breaks problems down into manageable steps, ensuring students understand before moving forward. When students disengage and asks, just give me the answers. tabuddy's motivation enhancer reinforces learning goals, encourages effort, and keeps students accountable. Instructors gain real-time insights into what students are struggling with during the course, not after it ends. tabuddy transforms classroom interactions. Students arrive better prepared, office hours are more productive, and instructors teach with clarity and confidence. AI isn't replacing instructors. tabuddy extends their presence,